Let's face it, we all have moments of cravings, haven't you? You know, you come home after a long day, you're stressed, you're tired, or your boss shouted at you, or whatever it is, you're just having like completely stressed out moments, tired moments, and you feel overwhelmed. What do? You usually go to the fridge or the freezer, grab a tub of ice cream, get some chocolate or the chips, or order some pizza takeaway because you don't have time to cook as well. So I see that with my clients happening all over again and again. And eventually it leads to issues, health issues, weight issues, tiredness, whatever it is. You know, there's so many things that happen eventually when we have emotional stress eating. And I think that's what I see with my clients most of the time. Really, they try to eat healthier, they actually know that they should eat healthier, but it just doesn't happen. You know, life happens and they don't know how. So the most difficult part I see that it's actually implementing those healthy habits. And that's what I came up with. After realizing this, that everybody, no matter of stress or anxiety, trauma, they just can't stop it and just continue. So I've created actually a group together to do a group coaching program called In Our Power. And this group coaching program really combines the coaching part of healthy, learning how to eat healthier and having a healthier lifestyle. It also gives you all the skills on nutrition, on supplements, emotional eating, spirituality, and how to implement those habits, because it's all about really implementing the habits and maintaining it. And then also it will help you to find out actually what is the root cause of the emotional eating, because it's not willpower. I can tell you that it's really something else. There can be emotional issues like trauma, but very often it's just very simple imbalances in your body, nutrition, nutrient imbalances or deficiencies. It can be hormonal imbalances. Your gut health plays a huge role as well. So there is a lot of things that can happen, and this you're going to learn in our Power group coaching program. Also with it, we are having a Facebook group, which is only for those joining the program. And then the biggest point there is actually of the group coaching program that we are all together in a community. We are all in it together. And with having the support of like-minded and sharing, the issues you have every day and finding tips and getting the support and the motivation is a very powerful tool. And that's why the group coaching program is actually so successful. I've done it with my clients. I've seen over and over success there. So find out more, and if you want to know if it's right for you, give me a call, connect with me down here, and then we can see if you fit the program and if the program fits you. It's Andrea Caprio from Wellness Methods. I'm a transformational nutrition coach and digestive health expert, as well as a weight loss and emotional eating specialist. So that's why I put this together. I put all the condensed knowledge I learned over the years together in this course, in this group coaching program, so you can get the benefits out of it. I see you inside.